In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack in Cursor AI 2026. By the end, you'll have the Cursor app added to your Slack workspace so you can streamline your workflows and keep collaboration in one place. I'll walk you through the exact path inside Slack's interface, and I'll add a few quick tips along the way so nothing slows you down. Start by opening Slack and making sure you're on the home view of the workspace where you want Cursor available. If you use multiple workspaces, double-check the logo in the top left to confirm you're in the right one. This avoids installing the app to the wrong place. On the left sidebar, look for the small settings gear icon. Click that to open the Workspace Settings menu. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover near the edge or expand it so the gear appears. From the menu that opens, choose Apps and Workflows. This is the central hub in Slack where you can manage installed apps and discover new ones that integrate with your workspace. Inside Apps and Workflows, click Browse. This takes you to Slack's app directory for your workspace. The directory looks like a store and includes a search bar at the top. In that search bar, type Cursor. Be sure to spell it exactly as written. If you don't see results, make sure you're searching the marketplace and not filtering by installed apps only. When the Cursor listing appears, click it to open the app's detail page. Here you can review what the app does, see screenshots, and read a short description of the integration. This page helps you confirm you've selected the correct app and not a similarly named tool. Next, select Add to Slack. Slack may show a brief permission summary so you can understand what the app can access. If your workspace requires admin approval for new apps, you'll see an approval request option instead. In that case, send the request and wait for it to be approved before continuing. If you have permission to add apps, you can proceed directly from this screen. Once added, you'll return to Slack and can find Cursor under the Apps section in your left sidebar. If you don't see it immediately, use the Slack search bar to look up Cursor or refresh the app directory view. From here, you're set to use Cursor with your Slack workspace and bring your development and communication together more efficiently. That's it. You've connected Slack in Cursor AI 2026 using Slack's built-in app directory. Thanks for watching, and happy building.